Ready for the dictation? Start. Both the trial court and the high court had noted discrepancies in the evidence led by the prosecution but entered and upheld the conviction, finding those to be minor. Stop. The evidence led by the prosecution is of PW1 to PW5. Stop. As we see from the deposition, the SSB team which carried out the combing operation was led by PW3, a sub-inspector with the SSB, while the police team was led by PW1, also a sub-inspector attached to the Sanoli police station. Stop. PW2 was one of the constables with the SSB who was in the team of PW3. Stop. PW4 was the IO and PW5 was a head clerk attached to the police station Sanoli at the time of the registration of the FIR. Stop. A reading of the evidence of PW1 to PW3 indicates that it was the SSB team led by PW3 who first confronted the accused, and after having detected the contraband in his bag called PW1 and his team, pursuant to which the search was conducted. Stop. It is also asserted by PW1 to PW3 that before the search was conducted, they had searched all the members of the team to ensure that no contraband was kept in their possession. Stop. It is also deposed that the accused was informed of his rights to be searched before a gazetted officer or a magistrate, upon which he confessed to have purchased the contraband. Full stop.